Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss check validity means error. If you create a polygon and you find a error point and valid output and invalid output, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our polygon, valid, invalid. So we check it which feature is valid, which feature is invalid. So for check validity, we go to vector and geometry tool and we select here check validity and we select here selected feature because we draw already polygon in selected feature layer, and we pick method the one selected in digital setting, and after it we go to output location. If you want, you select here output location. If you don't use output location, then you run it and close it, and you see here your output. Here is your error point. You right click and open attribute. Here is 4 output error point. You see here output error point, and you see here invalid output. Here is invalid output for your polygon, and here is valid output. You see here is valid output, and you see here all area means all feature, valid feature and invalid feature and output. So it is very important for you want to find error. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.